Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today I'm out here in the taiao. Hoa ke tātou. Te ate rito te hara keke, kei hea te Kaumātua. Hey, guess what? Today I've been thinking about all of my Kaumātua. Oh, I love them. Did you know that my kuia made me this peke? Tāhua ne. Oh, that gives me an idea. Harakeke. Ah! Check it out! Pa harakeke. Ooh. Hey, back in the days, me and my kuia used to spend all of our time outside. She'll be doing her beautiful rāranga. Oh, I'd be over there being a haututu. Put that chicken down, Buzz! Oh. But when I did focus, she would tell me the most amazingest stories. And she told me about taku pā harakeke. Come, I'll show you. Titiro, ke whānau harakeke. Te rito, ngā mātua, ngā Kaumātua. And that's why my kuia said I'm so loved and nurtured and nourished and special. And oh, that boy's handsome. He's got those pounamu green eyes and he's fast athletics. It's because I'm protected by my whānau. There's me in the middle, and then my parents either side of me looking after me, and then my grandparents outside of them, and all of my tūpuna. Taku pā harakeke! Oh, my nan was pretty clever and wise and beautiful and amazing. Oh, I'll see you next time, cuzzies. Ka kite anō. Hey, so fire. I was thinking later on we could get some giraffes.